We'll guide you through how to generate funny ChatGPT responses. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, the trick to generating funny responses lies in how you prompt the AI. Start by thinking of a humorous situation or a funny premise. You can type something like, imagine you're a stand-up comedian chicken on a farm, or pretend you're a robot trying to understand human jokes. Creative and quirky scenarios often lead to more amusing outputs. Once you've set the stage, engage in conversation with the AI. You can ask it to tell a joke within that context, or even request it to write a short, funny story. Another fun way is to use roleplay prompts. Say something like you're an alien trying to make sense of Earth humor. This helps the AI get into a playful mode. If you're not satisfied with the first response, you can always regenerate or slightly tweak your prompts for varied results. Experimentation is key here, so don't hesitate to play around with different ideas. Remember, the more specific and imaginative you get, the funnier the response can be. Also, keep in mind that humor is subjective, so what one finds hilarious, another might not. Have fun with it and explore different styles of humor. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.